Hi, my name is Elizabeth Guthrie. I work here at Swartz and Swartz. I'm one of the attorneys who represents victims of car accidents. Living in the Boston area, there's always so much traffic, but sometimes traffic can be extra delayed by a giant car accident involving a big rig. And maybe you've thought to yourself, gosh, I wonder just how bad such an accident is. Well, let me tell you. Large trucks are much more destructive than a regular car in an accident. For example, large trucks weigh over 10 times what a regular car weighs. In fact, semi-trucks tend to weigh about 80,000 pounds, whereas a regular car only weighs about 4,000 pounds. So that's a pretty big difference. Because of the special dangers posed by these large trucks, there are a number of federal regulations and other laws specific to driving those trucks. For example, to drive one, you have to have a specific type of license called a CDL, and that license even requires you to show that you've driven a certain number of hours just to be eligible to have the license. Because of their increased destructive potential, trucking companies often carry larger insurance policies on these trucks. For example, where a regular car driver may only have $50,000 to $100,000 limit on their car insurance policy, these trucks have insurance policies with limits in the millions. These trucking companies tend to prioritize their bottom line, and they'd much rather settle a case than be drawn out in litigation for years that can often be complex and grueling. If you've recently been in a motor vehicle accident, please call us at Swartz and Swartz, and we'd love to talk to you about your potential case.